All right, folks, this is Scott with the Game Audio Institute with a late breaking, late 2025 state of the channel update. There's been a lot of things behind the scenes over the last year or so. Some things have worked out, some things have not. But I wanted to basically let you guys know that probably one of the biggest things that we're going to be doing going forward is we are starting our very own game audio professional development program. In other words, we are training people to be in the game audio industry. So basically, if you are in school and you are dissatisfied with the affairs that you've been given at these very schools in terms of your game audio courses, you could definitely consider us as another possibility. We are definitely going to be having some really awesome courses that'll be online and asynchronous. You're going to get one-on-one meetings with mentors, and you'll also get some career help and career presentation, things like that for your portfolio and stuff like that. All kinds of stuff. It's probably too much to go into, and we'll have lots of videos probably coming up promoting that and talking a little bit more about the program in general. But anyway, just wanted to let you guys know that Game Audio Institute is really going to become an institute as we go forward. And so look forward to more of that kind of stuff coming in 2026 and beyond. So that's basically it for me. I hope this helps you get your game audio on. Take care.